What I'm going to show you today is a very simple, easy, and fast way to get into text message marketing today. And we're going to marry the power of a couple of systems out there, one being Twilio, the other one being WordPress, which you're probably familiar with. So if you've looked into text message marketing, and I see this a lot where people just don't know what to do. There's options, there's all kinds of things to consider. Shortcodes, for example, is a popular way to go, and there are problems with shortcodes. Shortcodes are shared among lots of people, so you are competing for keywords, and when you do that, that means that people are using keywords that maybe you would like, but you got to make up some other weird word for your list. And then it has happened before where shortcodes have been shut off by the service providers because someone on the list was abusing their list. They were spamming their list, and so they shut down the whole shortcode, and everyone on that list was affected. The other problem with shortcodes is the price. You are paying. If you have your own shortcode, you're talking $1,000 or $2,000 a month with a long-term contract just to have it. If you're paying a monthly fee to use someone else's shortcode, you're paying probably, I don't know, $20, $40, $50 a month just for one keyword. So that's a problem because there's so much competition for keywords, they can't just open it up. So price is a problem. If something that's easy to use is important for yourself as well as for your clients. And what I'm going to show you now is a company called Twilio. And Twilio, here's their website. What they focus on, they do have shortcodes available if you want to pay the couple $1,000s a month, but what I'm going to show you is their long codes. Long codes are basically local phone numbers, and the great benefit of having local phone numbers, one is the price. It's $1 per month to have a local phone number in just about any area code in the United States. That means you own that number. No one else is using that number. That means there's zero competition for keywords, and you could set up each client on their own long code local phone number if you like. And the other great benefit is each text message that you send is only 1 penny. Another great option is you can people can subscribe to your list via making a phone call instead of sending a text message. There's still a lot of people out there that can't or it's just not as fast to send a text message as it is to dial a phone number, and you can do that with the system. Now the problem here with Twilio though is that you need to be a developer in order to use it, or you need some software that'll interface with it. And what I've done is I've created a WordPress plugin that will manage and create text message lists for you. I've got it installed here. Let's take a quick run through. You can see I can expand this, go into my text message list. I've attached this to my Twilio account, and I've set up a couple demo lists here just for testing, and one for a fictitious pizza shop and another just called test list. And you can drill down into these. You can see, you can set up multiple replies. If they're on the list, if they're brand new to the list, they get one message. If they're already on the list, you could send them the same if you want, but whatever you type in here, maybe you want to give them a great coupon the first time, but you don't want them to be able to get that every day. And then if they've unsubscribed and they're getting back on the list, that would be a resubscriber. You might notice these date fields in here. Those are merge fields, so if you want to insert a date, you can do that automatically. You can use it to set expiration dates. This date :0 means today, date :1 would be tomorrow. So you could insert dates. For people that want to call into the list, You can play them a text-to-speech greeting, or you can upload an audio file and play that for them. You have a message history of here of all the messages that have gone out through this list, and then of course your subscribers. You can go into your phone numbers for Twilio, and you can acquire more phone numbers. Here's a list of your current phone numbers. Click on get a number, and now we can search for a new phone number in your area code and find one you like and click buy now, and it will, for $1, add that to your account. And that is managed through Twilio. To send a message, it's as easy as going to send message, click the list you want to send to. You can pick which number you want the message to be from, so that's what they see in their phone. Type in your message, press send, and off you go. Here you can manage your subscribers. Here's the subscribers that are in the database. This shows me which list they're on. I can edit subscribers by clicking on their record. I can unsubscribe them from lists. I can see a history of all the messages that have gone back and forth that they've sent in, and messages that have gone out or been broadcast as well. I can, of course, I could even add new subscribers manually if I like. Best thing to do here would be to just add people as they call in. It would be automatic, of course, but if you have someone you need to add manually, you can do that here. So that is it. This is a fast, easy way to manage multiple mailing lists, your text message lists, all within WordPress. You could set up a new WordPress site with a couple clicks, upload the plugin, and then you're good to go. You can have a client, you can install these for clients, providing them a login to the WordPress site, and then they can even manage their own lists if you want them to be able to do that. So I've not seen anything out there like this yet, but this is a kind of a quick, easy, powerful way to do text message marketing in local markets, taking advantage of local phone numbers. And these are also great for radio commercials. In some states it's illegal to text while driving, but you can still dial a phone number in a lot of places, and it's definitely easier, and whether you're driving or not. So that is it. Check it out and take advantage of the low price today. Thanks.